Hi guys, many of you wonder, and usually we came across these two things, namely HTTPS and SSH in GitHub mainly. So now we are going to discuss what is the difference between HTTPS and SSH. So basically, HTTPS is a normal hyper test transfer protocol in a secure layer. So we usually copy this link and just give git clone or use in some of our daily project activities like that. So what is this SSH means? It is a secure shell protocol. So mainly we use SSH for the high security purpose. So in many organizations they don't allow HTTPS for their version controlling and like this type of activity. So majorly we deal with SSH. So what is SSH? Which is a type of protocol which is similar to the HTTPS, but it has a high security. So whenever you try to clone a private repo from the GitHub, so visually you will copy the HTTPS link and just give git clone with the URL. Then it will ask for the authentication like username and password. Then you will give that password and download the repo. So in SSH there is no like that. We don't need to give the password. Just we want to create a private key and public key, so which is an encryption key. We use it here for the SSH protocol. So we can now we can see how it works and how can we do that in our system. So basically the SSH which generate we want to generate the private and public key. So public key will be shared in the GitHub and private key will be in our local machine. So one only the machine which having that particular key only have the access to that repo. And like we can also say that the machine from that machine only we can download the repo, which is high security than HTTPS, right? Okay, now let's we see how we can do that. So in your system open the git bash or Linux distro, anything which you have. Here I have opened git bash. So we are in the root directory, just the C drive. So let me show you. I already created the SSH key. So let me check self name grep SSH. You can see that I have SSH. Now I will remove that. So you can see that there is SSH. Now let me create the SSH hyphen keygen ex. So it's ask for it. Just give enter and enter. So it generate the key. Now let me check for it. Grep SSH. Now there we have it. Get into that SSH. Yes, move into that directory. Let's have the public key right here, right? Okay, we want that public key. So we dot public. So you can see that this is a public key. For your tutorial I will show here, later I will change. So it's a highly encrypted and it's nearly impossible for the one to crack this encryption key. Now just copy this encryption key and go to your settings, and you can see the SSH and GPG key. Click on that and I said I already have that SSH. Just delete that. New SSH key. You can give any title. SSH git. Paste that key and add SSH. So So it asks for authentication. Verify it's you. Let me use my authenticator app. Okay, we successfully added our SSH key. So now we going to clone our any of the private repository. Take the example of this Devops. Be careful to choose the SSH. Give and open. Choose any directory. I'm going to E drive. Let me make a directory called SSH directory. cd SSH. I'm going to give git clone and paste it. Yeah, click on this. Yeah, you can see that it verifying our local private key with the public key we given in Github. Just give S. It's added our private key to the Github. You can see this. We have successfully cloned our GitHub repository using the SSH. You can see that. So this is how the SSH key works, and follow our channel for upcoming DevOps related or Linux related videos. Thank you so much.